Yeah, there's like another little merger to itself, like it's a little ball. It really looks like a supercell. It's got an FFD that looks beautiful. That thing looks like a supercell on radar. It's got an FFD, like it's got everything.
We're right on the back end of it.
We're actually in the core.
Oh shit, yeah, I see that. Dude, yeah, this could do something.
Dude, this is Streator 2.0. Like, why? I don't understand why this isn't warned yet either. Like, it wasn't warned earlier when it had a great looking velocity
This
coupler.
could definitely do something. It's got a 4-inch here.
Technically are.
Yeah.
We're actually not like really, we're kind of in the core, but we're not because the core has hail.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, it's time to open up the Red Bull soon.
Speed 4.
Yo, are you guys going 4 miles an hour?
I am going 30.
No, the sign was broken. I said 4.
We got fire department.
Oh,
Spotter network, tornado to my northeast.
you see this over here, Miles?
Oh shit.
On there.
I don't know what's going on there,
Wait,
but we do
what?
have a spotter network. Someone spotted a tornado to my northeast in Streator.
Something's on fire over there.
Holy shit.
Oh shit.
Hey, get recording of that, whoever's in the back. Must have caught on light, like on fire from lightning.
Yeah, I smell it.
It must have got on fire from lightning, dude. What?
It's confirmed house fire.
Alright guys, we need to be careful. The spotter person did say tornado to my northeast. We are in that area. Please be careful.
It's got to be somewhere right here. From the way that the rain's coming out. Well, that was state police.
How is this not warned? Like, what the hell?
I don't know how this hasn't been warned yet. If we see something, I'm calling 911 immediately.
Yeah, keep your eyes out. I don't know how much we would be able to see, but...
Car wash.
New blaster looks good. What?
Windy.
Are we fine still?
Yeah, we're fine.
Guys, I don't know, we gotta get out of this pre-sip.
Now it's just gonna be hard to... You should probably think about heading east.
East? No, we're gonna be right in the notch. We don't want to do that.
I know. Once we're out of this,
Yeah, we need to get out of the precip. Hey, once we're out of this precip, we need to go east slowly. I don't have normalized rotation on here. Here, I'll go to weatherwise for that.
I could have sworn I just saw something within that lake behind the left.
That's where it would be, probably.
Our left?
Kind of in the next area.
It's hard to tell anything in this rain right now. I can't make anything out.
Yeah, this thing would be a rain wrap tornado. There's no way.
Maybe look for power flashes, too.
Hey guys, look for power flashes as well.
The rain kind of calmed out of here. The wind direction changed.
Are we going south still?
Yeah, we're still south.
Okay. Bear down, we're near that unwarned tornado warning near Streator, Illinois.
Unwarned tornado warning.
Unwarned.
Unwarned
tornado.
Well,
I don't know.
Yeah, somebody said this all the time. Yeah, watch for it. Like,
how is this not total warned? This is a go get.
The rain like really died down.
yeah, it's weird. How is this not warned?
Keep watching.
Wind directions are moving all around.
Yeah, we need to be careful. We are playing with the nocturnal element.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it looks like wind's coming from our right, but all the light show coming on the left.
Oh, why my ears? My ears just
Oh,
had
my
to
ears
pop.
are popping.
Wait, guys.
Guys, we need to be fucking careful.
My ears just popped. Guys!
Guys! Guys! What the fuck are we doing?
Guys!
Guys!
We're in it, guys!
We're in the fucking tornado!
We're in the tornado! Keep going south!
Keep going fucking south right now!
Guys, watch for power lines! Holy shit!
I'm calling 911 to report it.
Oh my gosh! Fuck! My car literally got pushed to the. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit!
I'm calling 911.
Guys, pull over! Pull over!
Hey, I'm a storm chaser out here near Streator, Illinois. We just intercepted a tornado. There is a tornado on the ground. Ears popping and everything. There's
We're safe. We are safe.
yeah, we're safe right now, but there is a tornado warning. We just got impacted. All 8 of our storm
Holy
chasers.
shit! I got that all on my camera.
Yep.
Okay, where are you at?
Let me get an exact location on it.
Here, I got this.
We're just north of Streator, Illinois. Gonna be on what road is this, Gavin?
Illinois
23
23 North. Yes.
Yeah, 23 north. We just intercepted a tornado.
Yeah,
everyone's
everyone's
okay.
okay, but tornado on the ground confirmed.
Tornado on the ground. Confirmed.
Yeah.
Okay, Illinois Route 23 and North 17th Road.
Yep.
Yep.
Debris was heading eastward.
It's heading east.
Yep, tornado heading eastward.
Power flashes! Power flashes!
Guys, look at velocity! Look at velocity! It's crazy! Hello? Is everyone okay? Everyone's good? What? What did you guys get hit with?
Yes, I am.
Guys, careful guys! Cars! Cars! Careful! Careful guys! Get Miles, get in the car! Holy shit!
I called 911, got the tornado warning. Tornado on the ground! We just intercepted it!
We
Just get down
were
on it.
in that fucking bitch! I got it all on my cannon! I got it all on my cannon! Holy fucking shit! We just drove into it!
Dude, I gotta ask Joseph for his dash cam because he was right behind us. He probably saw our car get pushed. Holy shit!
Oh.
Tornado! Oh my god, I'm gonna have to get that off stream.
Oh my gosh! I am shaking, guys!
Oh my god!
I'm
Tornado warning because of me!
shaking! Holy shit! like,
All right,
I
911
felt
just
it.
got that tornado warning out to the National Weather Service.
my-
Power flashes and everything. I told them.
Oh my god, never, holy shit.
I told them to be fucking careful. They didn't listen.
I know.
All right, is it gonna be right? Where would it be?
Over here. Probably that lowering up there. But dude,
Guys, watch our left.
Look at velocity. Look at velocity. We're safe here. We're good here. Brake. Careful.